In this video, we will learn how to add watermark in Microsoft Word. For adding the watermark, click on Design and click on Watermark. Here is some different watermark. You can select as your requirement. Here is the confidential watermark with diagonal text. Here is the gray horizontal text. And here gray diagonal text. Simple click this one, so you will see your watermark. And if you want to text don't copy, select this one. And also here is the option for custom watermark. You can select picture watermark, click this one and select your picture. And click on insert. Check this box for washout. And also you can scale as a percentage, and default is the auto. And after, click on OK. So you will see your watermark as your picture. And if you will select text, so you can select language, text and font style, and also you can select the size. Click on apply and close. So by this easy method you can add watermark in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching this video.